I have received a new eyepiece and I'm going to do an unboxing, share it with you. So let's see what is inside. So, oh, it's quite heavy. Oh, it's an eyepiece. Let me just remove the box. So this is a Myriad 9mm 100-degree eyepiece and made in China. Let's open and see how it is. Wow. Quite large eyepiece. Wow. I love this style of the eyecup. So nice. I have to test it during the night. So far so good. 9mm. So I have the full range of 100-degree eyepieces, and I have the 20, I have the 13 APM, I have now Myriad 9 and 5 and 3.5mm, and they're 1/10 of the no 1/5 of the price of a Teleview. And the quality, the reviewers, reputable reviewers that trust their view, have told that they deliver 95% of the performance of the Teleview E-test, and definitely equal to the Explore Scientific or even better. So the only thing remaining is to test this in the night. So this is the Myriad Skywatcher or OVL or Tecnosky, the same eyepieces. A 9mm 100-degree eyepiece, and let's go and see how it looks, the view through this eyepiece. And that was the view through the Myriad 9mm 100-degree eyepiece. Of course, the telescope is my Skywatcher ED80 f6.5 Pro Series gold version, and as you can see, it's really good. I've done a modification on the thing and it's really good now. It works well as it expected. We're on the focuser. And for your information, that was the fruits of this tree. Quite tiny, if you can see them here.